Hello, friends. My name is Allie, and today we're going to learn about the letter K and the sound it makes. K, like in kite. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look at this first word. What does it say? K is for kite. K, k, kite. Can you say it with me? Kite. Very good. Can you pretend to hold a string and fly a kite up in the sky? Whoosh, whoosh. Yes, kite. Here's another word. What does it say? K is for kid. K, k, kid. Say it with me. Kid. Point to yourself and say, I am a kid. Yes, kid. Now look at this one. What does it say? K is for key. K, k, key. Say it with me. Key. Can you twist your hand like you're opening a lock with a key? Click. Yes, key. And what about this word? K is for king. K, k, king. Say it with me. King. Can you place an invisible crown on your head like a king? Bow proudly. Yes, king. Here's another word. What does it say? K is for kit. K, k, kit. Say it with me. Kit. Pretend to open a kit and take out some tools. Open, open. Yes, kit. And here's the last one for today. What does it say? K is for kick. K, k, kick. Say it with me. Kick. Can you lift your leg and give a gentle kick in the air? Kick, kick. Yes, kick. Good job, kids. You learned lots of words today. Did you notice they all start with the same letter, the letter K? Fantastic! You did it! Next time, we'll learn the letter L. Do you like to play games based on the words you've learned today? Visit tutorfight.com and click on Learn to Read. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.